So today we're going to talk about how to use the NuPro, the Freedom, the cordless wireless handpiece. So this is actually the dock that you use, and this is a sheath that you're going to put over this to keep it protected. So you put the sheath over. Every handpiece gets its own sheath, so you autoclave these, and then you take these off, and this is what you would actually use on the patient. It comes with the actual prophy angle. So traditionally you would have a handpiece that had this prophy angle on it with a little metal or plastic piece in here, and that's what you would use to polish with the rheostat. These, however, they don't fit in there because they have the plastic. So NuPro has its own prophy angle, which connects just like that, and it fits perfectly. So this one wouldn't work on me. So there's two different settings on here. There's one where you can use the handpiece itself, and as you apply pressure, it goes faster. So as you apply pressure to the tooth, or you can put it on a setting to where you have to use the foot pedal, and then it works like that with the foot pedal. So you could either do it with the foot pedal or without the foot pedal, and there's two different settings on here. So with the foot pedal, once you take your foot off, it stops spinning. Without the foot pedal, it's just constantly turning without you doing anything. To get more, to apply more pressure, for it to go faster, you just apply more pressure like that, just push on the tooth. But other than that, it keeps spinning. Or you can put it on the setting to where you manually do it with the foot pedal. So those are the two different options. I usually use the foot pedal because I want to control it. I don't want this thing spinning, and sometimes if it's on the tray and it's just spinning all this, like, that's what happens. So I don't want it to do that, so I'll just keep it on manual so I can use the foot pedal. And as I'm going along, like, I get the prophy polish, and then I polish the tooth and just keep going. And you can just go and go. Obviously, I'm acting like these are the teeth, but it works. The polish stays in there. It doesn't like splash or fly anywhere. When you're done with this, or in between the doctor doing the exam or you polishing, you can put this here on a little, this is a holder for it instead of you leaving it on the tray. It can fall and break. I mean, it's not attached to a cord, so you can easily drop it. So you want to kind of keep it somewhere where you can just go back and pick it up. Sometimes someone would polish the bottom teeth and then go back for the top. That's what you can do. This is the charging station. It does stay plugged up, so there's a little USB for it that you can keep it charged with. And when you're done with it, you throw this away. This gets autoclaved, and then this plastic goes right back on here on the docking station to be charged. Now you always do have to keep it charged, and if it ends up losing its charge, you just put it on for a few seconds and it'll charge again. The foot pedal, however, it can be charged like once every 6 months. It doesn't take much to charge it. So you don't need to charge it every day, but you do need to keep this plugged up to the USB to keep it charged. And that's pretty much it for that, for the NuPro wireless handpiece.